Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, my name is Anubhuti and I love to talk about everything beauty related. Today I'm going to kick off a new project pan. It is called Colourpop Project Pan. So it is kind of a spooky project pan that is created by beautiful Emily and Max here on YouTube, and I will link her YouTube channel and also her introduction video and also anything related to the project down in the description box below. So basically I've seen it going around year and year. This is, I think, the 7th year of this project, and so basically this project runs from 30th of April till 31st of October. So basically it starts in April. It is a 6-month project ban and it runs from April and till the Halloween. And there are total 4 videos. So one is going to be the intro that is going to go live on April 30, and there are going to be 2 updates on June 30th and August 31st. So basically every 2 months, and then there is going to be finale on October 31st. So yeah, so that is around the time of Halloween, and that is Graveyard Project. And as you know, like, it sounds spooky, and yes, I think you are free to choose 3 to 10 products and assign your goals on them. It can be any goal, but most of the people choose 6 because 6 is a spooky number. And there are 2 categories. Then one of the category is resurrection, so then products from a graveyard project or from any products that you worked on previous projects but you have not meet your goal on, or maybe you liked them. For example, 10 you rolled in something in 10 uses, and then you would like to reassess them, like reuse them again. So basically products that have been part of any project plan in the previous years or this year, whatever. So that's a resurrection category. And then second category is collecting cobwebs, and that means products that are close to expiration date or are neglected in your collection, basically. So yeah, those are the 2 categories. So that is about a little bit intro about the project. Make sure to check the details in the description box below in case you are interested in knowing more details. I will link everything down in the description box below. So now let's talk about the products that I would like to work on in my first ever graveyard project pan. But before we do that, if you are interested in product reviews and also a lot of project planning content, then make sure to subscribe before we jump into the introduction official. I decided to choose 3 products in each category. So for my resurrection category, I decided to choose 3 products, and then also for my cobwebs category, collecting cobwebs category, also I decided to choose 3 products. So let's talk about the resurrection category first. So then first product that I want to talk about is an eyeshadow palette, and that's from Colourpop, and this is All I See Is Magic. At some point of time I was using it as my focus eyeshadow palette for the month. I decided to do it, I think, 2 years back. In 2022, I think I was doing a focus eyeshadow palette of the month kind of thing, and that was part of the project. And then I had basically an idea to hit pan on it. So then I have hit pan on this shade, which just really took me really long time. But then again, yeah, I want to pull this palette in with the goal to no pan left behind and try to hit at least 1 pan. So that's going to be my first product for the resurrection category. So no pan left behind and 1 pan. Let's see if we can do it. We can absolutely try. I have a huge tip on this matte shade, so I think that is what I will be focusing on because that's also a kind of lid setting shade for me, so it's easy to reach for. So yeah, basically I just want to, this is very old. I think this is probably the first Colourpop palette that was in my collection, along with the Yes Please palette. I think these are the oldest Colourpop palettes in my collection. The quality is still good, but yes, I would like to get more use out of this one. So this is my first product for resurrection category. The second product is a bronzer, which is my Benefit Hoola bronzer. This was part of my last year's focus, and then my goal was to hit pan on this one. I hit the pan on it, and so yeah, this is my Benefit Hoola bronzer, and then I would like to hit a pan again probably. This is my focus for this year, to use it up completely. Then I think I would like to make as much progress as possible. So this, I want to keep it till end of this project, just to make sure that if I can make any progress on this. So this is going to be here. Now, third product in resurrection category is Natasha Denona Blush Glow Duo. It's blush and highlighting powder, and this was part of my Project 10 uses last year, and then I loved it. I remember loving it a lot, and I think I want to pull it out back again, because after that I've never pulled it out again, and I think I want to use it more. And these are the tones that I love to wear in summer and spring, so I think, yes, I would like to use it 10 times. That's going to be my goal for it. So that's the third product in resurrection category. Now let's talk about collecting cobwebs. And then first product that I want to talk about is a custom blush. This is a cream blush which I made from all the depotted lipsticks. So I used to use the lipsticks till end of the packaging, and I used to dig out whatever was the left over, and then I used to save it. And then I decided that I was not using them anyways, so I have decided to melt them all together and make a blush. And this is a beautiful blush, but I have not used it. This is pretty deep blush, but it's a beautiful shade, and if you sheer it out, it's like very pretty, and I think I would like to use it at least 10 times. So just to show, because this is like, these lipsticks were lying around for like about 1 year or more. I think for probably 1 year without getting used. So then I have decided to make a blush out of it. And then, so yeah, collecting cobwebs, not collecting cobwebs anymore. I would just love to use the blush that I created. So 10 uses for this one. And then second product that I want to talk about in collecting cobwebs category is a lipstick by MAC. It is called Kinkster. And because this is a very difficult shade, this is not very flattering on me, and I think this is also kind of, the smell is slightly starting to change. But then what I love about this color is this makes a beautiful bronzer shade on me. I love this as a bronzer. I've worn it as a bronzer a couple of times and it stays good. And this is from the matte range, from lipstick from MAC. And yeah, I would like to get 10 uses out of this one as well. So that's my second product for collecting cobwebs category. Last product that I want to choose is, again, I watched Emily's introduction video and I was also inspired. I was reminded that Colourpop lipsticks are something also oldest in my collection, and definitely not as much used as I would like to. So then I chose a color that is very difficult for me to use, that I don't reach for organically, and that's this bright pink. This is called Cherry Bomb, and this is matte lippy sticks, and this is the shade. It's a pretty bright pink, as you can see. Maybe, yeah, that's a better swatch. So this is the shade, and again, I would like to reach for it 10 times. That's the goal, because this is pretty like the summery shade. That's why I want to assign only 10 uses goal on this one. By end of June we will reassess. If I meet my goal, then we will probably reassess, do I want to keep it or not. But so far I want to assign, because this is my first time doing this project, I want to be a little bit kind on myself and assign the goals that seems achievable for me. So yeah, those are all the products. Just to recap, for the resurrection category, I have my Colourpop All I is Magic eyeshadow palette for No Pan Left Behind and One Pan. And the second resurrection is my Hoola bronzer. This is repressed in by Terry Compact for till end of the project. And then my Natasha Denona Blush and Glow Duo for 10 uses. For my collecting cobwebs category, I have my customized blush, lipstick blush for 10 uses. For and a second product is MAC Kinkster lipstick for 10 uses, and then again a lippy Colourpop lippy sticks in the shade Cherry Bomb for 10 uses. So those are all the products I will be working on. I'm pretty excited that I'm participating in this project this year. I love Emily. I love the projects she creates. She is very creative with the projects and I love to participate. I've been contemplating, but I thought, okay, let's give it a try. I am not doing many projects this year, so I thought, yeah, why not? Let's give it a try and see if we can make if we can succeed or not. So that is it about for today's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you will be notified whenever I upload a new video. Till next time, have a good day, good night, depending on wherever you are, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.